Now, friends, your third topic is 1.3 lungs. Near your heart are two parts of your body that help you do something very important. It means that these are very important parts of your body. They are your lungs. They help you to breathe. So that's why they are very important because they help us to take breath. You breathe in oxygen from the air through your nose. Students, as you know that we can't live without oxygen and we take oxygen from air through our nose. And when this oxygen reaches your lungs, it enters in your blood. Your blood carries it to the heart and from there to each part of your body. So, first of all, oxygen carries through your nose, then it goes to your lungs, and then it goes to your blood. And through blood, it goes into your heart. And from there, it goes in all parts of your body. Your blood carries carbon dioxide that your body does not need to the lungs. From here, you remove it from the body when you breathe out. So, students, there are two gases mentioned. Which first one is oxygen, which help you to take breath. Okay, and second one is carbon dioxide, which is not needed in our body, and we breathe out this gas. Now come on our next. Students, there are given the diagram of your lungs. Look at, these are your lungs, and all of we have two lungs. Now, from outside, your lungs look pink and rubbery. From inside, they look like spongy. Look at, students, there are two pictures of given, which from which one is of your outside and second is of your inside picture of lungs. Air enters through your nose in your lungs. Okay, there is shown that through your nose air enter into your lungs. Come on, next, there is an activity given. Take a deep breath. You may feel part of your chest get bigger. Students, all of you take deep breath. All of you will feel that your chest part get bigger. That is your lungs which grow bigger. Okay, with getting bigger as you breathe in. It it's look blowing air into a balloon. When you blow air in a balloon, it's like this. When you breathe out, your lungs get smaller. Now, do you know your left lung is a little bit smaller than your right lung, and it is smaller because your heart has to fit next to it. Now, look at, students, this picture. Your left lung is a bit smaller than your right one. It's because your heart is located with your left lung. That's why the left one is smaller as compared to right one. When you breathe in, do your lungs get bigger or smaller? Students, when we get breathe in, our lungs get our lungs get bigger. Now common questions. Answer the questions. Question number 1. What is the function of your lungs? As we know that our lungs help us to take breath. It is the function of our lungs. Our second question is, what happens to your lungs when you breathe in and breathe out? Friends, when we breathe in, our lungs get bigger, and when we breathe out, our lungs get smaller. Now, your third question, which gas do you inhale? Part B, exhale. The oxygen we inhale. which we get in our body, and part we exhale, which gas we release. It's our carbon dioxide, which our body does not need. It's your lecture about your third topic, lungs.